Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to read lesson number 3 of your EVS, which is Work We Do. In this chapter, we will learn about occupations and places. So, let's start. We live in a community. All people around us do different kind of work. A teacher teaching in a school, a mother working at home, a child going to school, and so on. The list of work that people around us do is endless. The work that people do to earn money is called their occupation. So, what is occupation? Occupation is a kind of work the person does to earn some money is called the occupation. For an example, the work your father do is his occupation. Whatever he whatever he do is his occupation, such as if he is a doctor, then his occupation is that he is a doctor. Now look at UV. It is early morning. He is going to school with his little sister Arya. Arya asks him, "Why do we need to go to school daily?" UV says, "We need to go to school daily so that we can get a very good occupation when we grow up. We all should have the habit of working daily. If we don't go to school daily, then we will become lazy. All the people start working from the morning." This we all know that if we don't do any work and just keep on sitting idle, then we will become lazy and we will not want to do any kind of work because of this laziness only. And next, at the same time, their teacher meets them on the way. UV and Arya greets their teacher on the way. They see a person entering a hospital. He is a person who treats people who are sick. Guess who's he? He's a yes, anyone? He's a doctor. Yes, he's a doctor. UV's uncle is going to the court by car. He's a lawyer. He fights cases in the court. His uncle's driver is driving the car. At the roadside, they see a cobbler sitting. Can you tell what the cobbler's doing there? Yes, he's mending shoes. At a little distance, they see a building under construction near their school. Masons are laying bricks to build the wall there. Who are masons now? Masons are the person who build a house or help to construct a building. Some women are buying grocery from the grocer's shop near the hospital. A postman is coming on a bicycle to take out the letters from the letterbox. He will deliver the letters to different places. Now, can you tell who is the person stitching clothes in the shop? He's a yes, anyone? Who is he? He's a tailor. Yes, correct. Write it over here. Like these people, there are many people who work in our community and make our life simpler. After getting free from the school, UV and Arya came back home. Their mother, Mrs. Aruna, took them to the market. Yuvi had to buy some stationery items for school. They went to a stationer's shop from where Yuvi bought a pencil box. Mrs. Aruna then took them to a jeweler's shop from where she bought beautiful jewelries for herself. Their new neighbor, Mrs. Geeta, met them in the market. She asked Mrs. Aruna, I am your new neighbor. I am searching for a plumber to fix the leaking water tap at my home. Can you help me? Mrs. Aruna said, Yes, you can find a plumber near the painter's shop. Mrs. Geeta asked, Can you tell me where I can find a person who can fix the doors and windows of my house? Mrs. Aruna smiled and replied, Yes, you will see a carpenter near the plumber's shop. Now you all know who's a carpenter. A carpenter is a person who works with woods and wood items. Who make wood items are called carpenter. Like our furniture, our doors, our windows of wood is made by carpenter. Okay. Now next heading is household works. All of us have to do some work at home. Let's see how UV's family does its household work. UV's mother wakes up Arya and UV every day. She prepares and packs lunch for them. After that, she prepares breakfast for everybody. She is a housewife. UV's father is a doctor. He goes to clinic daily. He has a small clinic at home also. UV's grandfather goes for a walk daily in the market in the morning. He brings milk and grocery from the market while coming back home. Rupa, their maid servant, come home at 8 a.m. She cleans the house and washes the utensils and clothes. UV's grandmother helps his mother in the kitchen work. In the evening, UV helps his grandparents in watering the plants. Arya helps her mother in filling the bottles. UV's grandmother feeds the pet dog regularly. So here we see that every person, every family member in Arya's house is involved in some or the other work. In the same way, in our houses too, every family member of our house also is involved in one or the other work. You can see it at your home also. Okay. Now next heading is children at work. Children at work means the children like us, like you all. Everybody of us has some work to do. All children should also do work. Children should study to have a great future in their life. They have to learn cleanliness and good habits. Children learn some work from the family. They should also help their parents by doing small things. Like you should do small things to help your parents. Like like Arya and UV, you can help your parents by filling bottles or helping your parents by watering plants, and many more works are there. You can help your parents. Now the next topic of your chapter is child labor. All children do some work, but there are some children who do work for earning money. This is called child labor. The work some of the children's do to earn money for their livelihood, because they are poor, they don't have such facilities like we have, so they do work to earn money. That kind of work of of those children are called child labor. Okay, their parents are so poor that they cannot send their children to school. Some children do labor work to earn money. There are some children who go to school and work for earning money. Now, here it is given that there are some children who do both the work. They first go to school to learn, and then after school time is over, they go to work to earn money. So, here is a similar story about Munna. Let's read it. Munna is Rupa's younger brother. He is 9-year-old child. His parents are very poor. He goes to school in the morning. After coming back from the school, he goes to a dhaba where he serves food to people. The owner of the dhaba is a kind man. He gives Munna the book of his son to study and food to eat. So these kind of children are also there in our society who are very poor. They don't have money for getting money, and for their for living their simple life they need to earn money. So they go to school to learn, and then they go go for work to earn money, like Munna. So here a trivia is given. Long ago, children in England worked in factories and coal mines for long hours. The government made law that did not allow children to work anymore. And similarly, in India also, the child labor is prohibited. Children are not allowed to work. Okay, so this is all for today's topic, and thank you all.